Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In this video we are going to fix out your Minecraft error failed to create profile while creating a profile onto the Minecraft Java edition. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, here in the Minecraft launcher, click on your account tab and log out completely from the Minecraft launcher. Once you logged out, close it, open your web browser and head over to this official website of Minecraft, whose link in the description of this video I'll provide you. From here, click on this option which is login. Now from here, login either using Microsoft account or using your Mojang account and then try to create profile right over here in this browser only. Now if this doesn't fix out the issue, the second method, you need to open this Minecraft website, this login page into a browser of your mobile phone such as a Safari or Google Chrome, but make sure you open this web page onto your mobile phone and then create a profile right over here. This will fix out your issue completely because the major cause of this error is the conflicting with the extensions present in the desktop browser, either it is Google Chrome or your Microsoft Edge. So make sure you create a profile using your mobile phone. Now if mobile phone again failed to create a profile for your Minecraft, head over to this website which is official website. From here scroll down and you need to download the previous version of the Minecraft launcher. Download it in your system. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and run this downloaded file of Minecraft and install it in your system. Once installed, go ahead and create profile using this particular installed Minecraft, and this will fix the issue of fail to create profile in your Minecraft. Now if these three methods fails, the last hope we have is to download a extension. In your web browser, if it is Google Chrome, simply type allow course extension and then hit the enter key. Here click on the very first link which is of itself Google Chrome, and here is the extension right in front of you. Go ahead and click on the option add to Chrome and click on the option add extension, and the extension will be added into your Google Chrome browser. Now once the extension is added, click on this application icon and pin the course extension right over here. Now here is the icon came for the course. If it is grey out, click on it and choose the option reload active tab. At your end, you need to head over this Microsoft website and here click on the course extension and choose the option reload active tab. Once it is reloaded, go ahead and create a new account or sign in with an existing account and then create your Minecraft profile using this particular browser, and this will surely fix out your issue of fail to create a profile in your Minecraft game. This is all about it, friends. This is how you can fix the error of Minecraft fail to create profile while creating a new profile in your Minecraft account. If you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel, and keep watching Lotus Geek. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.